Welcome, my people. Good day. Wherever you're watching for, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment your most favorite actor or actress in this series, Koleoso. Also, make sure you listen to this to the end because I'll be sharing a powerful secret with you about warfare at the end of this review. The Koleoso family returned more powerful, and this time around, they decided to lay low. All the family members decided not to cause any harm, and they both agree. Efun gave birth, but she eventually died, which was later found out that it is Koleoso that killed her. And for running away, he decided to punish her. While on campus, there are chaos that is happening, such as students disappearing, and Efun decided to return back to the campus. Some guys even decided to sell the Oso's house, but met their Waterloo by the appearance of Koleoso. This part is full of different powerful men and politicians also, how they're using people for ritual. When it is time to name the Koleoso baby that was given birth to by Osu, the boy named himself also one day, and this made the cleric to run away. The boy also grow mystically and mysteriously. Daily he just grow in height just as it like. Auntie CD also decided not to cast spell to steal again. He decided to lose Desmond and others that are in a captivity, but our girls were not happy with this, which made them to really want to confront her, but they are afraid of what she can do to them. The friend of Osu decided to keep taking care of also one day the child of Koleoso. As the boy grew, another powerful being was seen, called himself Ifa. In this series, Ifa decided to take revenge for antecedent girls and spent money of stones for her, which she was desperate to take revenge. She called on her brother Koleoso, and one thing I like about this family is that they always agree when it comes to warfare. And I tell you, one of the principles of warfare is never fight alone.